All right, I have a guava to share with you guys. So this is a Mexican cream guava, and it is smaller than pink guavas I've had before. These are available year-round in warmer climates, but here in my area in Southern California, they are harvested in the fall, so that's why I'm seeing them showing up in markets and stores right now. And this one is guavas are characterized by their color of their interior flesh. We got pink and I believe yellow and white. I believe this one is a white. I actually had like a bag of these and I just plowed through them. I ate them all except for this last one. I'm like, oh wait, I should talk about these a little bit before I finish them off. So I'm gonna show you this one. It's a little bit soft and bruised now, but I think it'll still be tasty. So there's the inside for you. I can kind of smell it from here. Let me get the smell test. Oh wow, okay, so it's been maybe a week or two since I had the first, well, all of them. Since I ate all the rest, just wolfed them down. I think this has had a chance to ripen further, and the scent is much stronger than it was when I had the first ones. So let me get a spoon here. I lied, I'm not gonna spoon it out, I'm just gonna eat the whole thing. Wow, okay, so in future I will have to ripen these guavas further, because this is, I think, a bit better than the ones I had that were less ripe. Because they were very stiff when I first had them. They were great, but this one seems to have had a chance to develop those flavors, and I could just bite into it like it's nothing. They're so soft and almost buttery. That's delicious. I was reading that. Hold on. I won't talk with my mouth full. I was reading that the rind of this also has a lot of vitamin C. It smells amazing too. I should have got more of these. This is a new favorite, I think. It's very sweet and floral. I'm just greedily eating this. So true to the name, it's very creamy. It's quite delicious. It definitely has a guava taste, but it's different from like pink guavas that I've had. So if you're in an area where these are available year-round, I am jealous. And if you're not, and you see these like showing up at the markets in the fall, then definitely give them a shot, because they are really, really good. Yeah, that's the Mexican Cream Guava. Buy more than I did. Buy all of them. They are delicious.